That's a backhoe loader. There's the boom, the arm, the bucket, and that's the stabilizer. Dump truck. There's the lights, fender, the ram, the wheel, the skip, that's a big truck, isn't it? For being a little kid's book, it's awfully hard to turn the pages. That's the radiator grill. It's a Volvo.
Lola, what's that book about? Huh? Can you tell me?
It's about diggers and dumpers.
Hold on, Hank, we're busy.